Hi, you've reached the help desk. I'm Jason. Today we're going to be reviewing the Eureka Ergonomic 60-inch L-shaped gaming desk. So first we're going to go over unboxing, then we're going to put it together, show you some of the steps that I went through and maybe a couple of things to avoid. And then I'm going to give you my overall opinions. We've had this desk put together for about a week, and I'm going to tell you my thoughts and durability, stuff like that. So let's get into it. All right, first off, when you open the box, everything's nicely packaged. It's in a foam of some kind, hard foam. Everything's got a spot for it. Everything's protected, which is nice. This desk is a split desk, so it gets shipped in two different pieces. Everything's pre-drilled with the threaded metal pieces are pre-installed, already glued. The shipping was undamaged. Here's the desk with the two halves put together before I put the braces on and the plates. The seam gets closed up pretty close. This plastic corner piece I removed from the desk, and I was first installing this desk with the lights were kind of off and it was darker. And it was actually a little bit hard to see that this little piece was on there, and it prevented the desk from being flushed together. So just remember to remove that piece so that the two pieces of desk can be pushed together all the way. And here you can see the formation of the support system for this desk. Every piece of the desk appears to be properly supported, which is nice. And here's some more support braces that go on top. The one thing that I noticed that everything lines up properly, so I didn't have any cross-threading issues while putting these screws in. And here's it with all the screws that are in. I had relatively no issues putting these in. Everything threaded nicely, nothing cross-threaded. I didn't have too much issues with everything. So what I'm showing you right here is that these legs are two different sizes, one for the short depth side and one for the long depth side. Okay, don't panic. This desk is used by a 9-year-old. And what I'm going to show you here is how messy a 9-year-old can make this desk. And it looks like the surface isn't protected very much. But when we wash it, it comes out pretty nice, pretty brand new. It's not the most resistant material that I've seen on a desk. The Cougar Mars and Mars 120 are a little bit more scratch resistant, but this desk came out pretty clean. And it has these wire chaseways on the side for cable management, which is nice. They're pretty deep. You can put a lot of wires in there. It has a center section for holding wires from monitor and mouse and keyboard, and it also has a second chaseway on the other side. And here's the desk all put together. It very comfortably holds one 27-inch. It also holds the full desktop. We're planning on putting two 27-inches on this, so the way to do that is we're going to have to scoot the computer to the back side of the L, and then two 27-inch curves can fit next to each other. And my one gripe with this desk I really looked forward to in other desks is that it only has a weight capacity of 176 pounds. And what that means is how sturdy the desk is. So this is just me putting my hands on the desk and kind of moving my hands on the desk. It makes the monitor shake, makes your mouse shake. It's sturdy enough for a kid, but if you're a bigger person who maybe pounds on the keyboard or whatnot, if you mount your monitor to this desk, you're probably going to have some shaking of the monitor and other components that you're going to be able to see shaking. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. A couple things to summarize. The mouse pad does come with the desk. It's a nice mouse pad. It's a soft cloth one. It extends the whole depth of the desk. It was pretty nice. I picked this up during the holiday season, so it was for $199. I do notice right now at the time of this video it is out of stock. I've seen it for $199. I've seen it on Ergonomic's website or Eureka's website for as much as $299, but I think you can get it for closer to $200. Anyways, hope you liked the video. If you have any comments you'd like to leave, anything else you'd like me to review, or any questions about the desk, please leave a comment down below. Consider subscribing to the channel, hit that bell notification, and we'll see you next time. Bye.